Hey dolls! So today is such a sad day. You probably had already guessed what we're doing today by the title. Today we are taking the Christmas decorations down. It's so, it's so sad. Something about taking decorations down, it just means like I don't know how to describe it, but there's a little bit of sadness that comes with it. But also, I have been waiting for this because I'm tired of my decorations. I'm sick and tired of them. I'm done with them. They're gorgeous, but I'm ready to see it go, if it makes sense. So it's like a mixed emotion. Dolls, I am just like, I don't want to do this, but we're going to have, this is going to have to go. We've got 11 months left to when I can do this all over again, okay? That's the way I'm gonna think about it. So today, literally 10 days in, when you're watching this video, it's gonna be 10 days in, but 9 days when I'm taking it down. I did vow that I'll keep it to the 10th of January, and I kept my vow. No matter what pressure it is to take it down, I enjoyed and I got my money's worth of my Christmas decorations, but they have to go because I'm ready to have my apartment and my home back to normal. So dolls, you're gonna have to make yourself comfortable. This is a bit emotional, but I'm ready for the declutter because I'm ready for all this to go now and have a fresh start, and then I can start feeling in the new year. So grab your coffee, make yourself comfortable as usual on all my vlogs. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, and make yourself cozy, and let's take down my Christmas decorations. Let's go. One last look at my living room. I'm gonna miss all of this. It's so gorgeous. I love everything about my living room. I changed a lot of things that you see in here. So like that little table in the corner I don't think it was there in the first video, but I put those little pieces there. I changed so much. Like the only thing that really stayed the same is actually the sofa. Everything kind of moved around, and the tree. Look at the tree. And even in the corner, look by that mirror, that Merry Christmas sign was not there. Like I moved it. It was actually by my TV. And the box, I have a box ready to pack all that stuff. And then I have the pink tree I moved in this corner here, which I've already taken the decorations off the pink tree already before this video. And then I have all of those ornaments that have to come down. So many pieces. That's going to be so long. Oh my God, I'm actually having some form of anxiety trying to take this stuff down. But we have to start, so I guess let's get started. I'm probably going to change into something more comfortable because that's how I filmed it when I put the tree up. Because it's going to be a lot of work. So I guess let's get started. I'm going to miss this. Put the pillows down first, and I'm going to take the pillows out first. So these are going. I'm so sad about these. They're so pretty. Like I'm going to miss this. I really am. Something is so sad to me about removing all this stuff. I can't describe the feeling, but oh, it's so sad. This is all going away. Like my sofa is just naked. And I think I'm going to replace that sofa with, what's it called? Just the regular pillows that were there. We're going to put those back on now. It's feeling sad already. I'm going to be staying. I'm going to get my regular pillows that were on there. The bow is always in the middle. Girls noticed, but I did change clothes into like a comfy, nice jumper that I got from Shein. It's so Barbie-like. I feel like a Barbie doll in an oversized jumper. So it's like oversized. I just want to feel more comfortable as I tackle this. I need to get comfortable. It's kind of getting chilly as well. So I changed out. This is so sad, but it has to happen. Why am I putting this back on here? I'm putting my diamond pillows back on. My diamond cushions or pillows, whatever you want to call it. They are coming back on. It feels so weird for everything to be back to normal again. So I think these go like this, and this goes like this. This feels so different. Christmas always feels so different when it's over. Like it's hard to get back to normal, but that is Oh, I love that. We are back in business. Okay, now I'm going to take care of that stuff in the corner and just change that stuff out. I don't know what pillow's going to go inside the middle, but something has to go in that middle. We're just going to take the Merry Christmas out. I don't know what pillow. Maybe I'll have something Valentine's Day related in the middle, but for now I'm just going to leave it naked because I don't know what pillow I want inside there. So we're just going to leave it like that. Well, I decided I'm going to like have a winter candle, so this one has to go. I'm gonna have this instead from Bath and Body Works. Again, it's with the pink theme. It's champagne toast. This is a regular candle, it's just a winter theme. I love it. It's got like that wintry theme, so it's not just Christmas, it's literally winter. So I love champagne toast, and it's still pink, it's still on that cold wintry theme, and it's gonna look really good in here. So I'm gonna take, well, this is staying, I'm just removing this, taking off the little reindeer. Oh, so sad. Putting it in this box and taking all these balls off, and I'm just going to bag up these balls because I'm going to need them next year, so I want to bag them up carefully. As you can see, I have like a lot of them in here that I just use them as decoration inside here, and I'm going to just bag these up and use them as decoration, but also put this on here or maybe on the side and have my coffee table back to house. This Dior book off because I felt like it was just too cluttered. So I'm gonna have this like this, and I will probably have the candle in here. So sadly my Dior book has to go. If I can have my way, only one book will be in here. Sometimes I don't like too much clutter. Lately I've noticed, and I just got these from Home Goods. They are so gorgeous. They're perfect for spring. It's tickled pink. I still have the tag in it. It was like $16, I believe, and it's just perfect for just that new fresh look, new year. I love it, and I just, oh, gorgeous. I just don't like it covering the bow, if you've noticed. I like the bow to be like on full display. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I love this already. So gorgeous, so pretty. Okay, it's starting to come along well. I've been avoiding it, but it's time to do this tree. It's time to tackle it. We have to do this. I can't avoid it for no more. It's just a lot of work, but I love it. I love what we've done so far. This was the easiest part. This monster. Finally. These balls that have come down. Oh, so sad. That's going to be the theme of this video. So sad. I have so much to go, and even round the back there's just a lot. Like, you don't really realize how much it is to come down until it's time to take it down, because this is a lot. Even the ones that I DIY'd are all coming down, and I have glitter all over my hands. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, I would say that, but it is a lot. Like, I knew this would, it took me a long time to put this together, so I knew taking it down would be a longer time. Or it could actually be shorter, because I had a lot of thinking to do when I was putting this together. Oh, so sad. But I'm glad it's down, because I'm tired of looking at this tree. I literally am done with it. It's just so much pieces are in here. I'm glad I didn't stick this in the tree. See, some of them are like getting stuck in the tree. It's just a lot. I'm gonna just go through it. And then when I did it, I had my mum with me, so she was filming me. Now I'm filming myself doing this. They would not come out. It's a workout. I'm actually sweating getting this stuff off. Oh, look at it. Dolls, look at that. I've done half. So I'm just going to keep going until I'm done. Oh my God, who remembers this? How pretty is this? Oh, and it's got my name on the back. LB. This is coming off. I wanted this to be the last piece off because this was the first piece on, but too bad. These bows, there's so many bows, and this box is getting, look how full it is. Look, so full already. Come off, come off, come off. There we go. More. We are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. What a workout. She's down. Well, not down, but all the decorations are literally in this box. It's very, very sad. I keep saying that throughout this video because it truly is. Everything's down except one thing. And I needed 2 boxes, so I have to get another box because I have a lot of decorations in this bag. That's to show you how much was here. So the final thing to take down, which was the final thing to put up, was the bow. So I'm going to take that down now. Actually, something is stuck in the tree. Look. One more decoration. That's to show you how much I had in there. Look, this one piece was stuck in the tree this whole time and I didn't even know. Okay, now we're going to take the bow. It's so sad. Here we go. The bow is down. This is such an aesthetic though. Look how gorgeous this bow is. Okay, finally it's gone. Everything's gone. And just like that, Christmas is done. Till November of this year. Now all of that is done. I have to now dismantle this whole tree and put it away in storage. I am so happy the decorations are done because that's the hardest part. So I'm going to do that probably off camera and then I will be done with this video, dolls. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's naked. Even my pink tree, naked. So sad. We did it, dolls, we did it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna just end, dolls, I'm just gonna end the video here because I have a lot of work to do in here. I'm going to do a part 2 to this video of a deep clean with me post Christmas, New Year deep clean with me. But I'm going to just organize everything. But the main stuff is done. I'm going to throw all those boxes away and I would just, but my main living room is kind of back together. This just needs to go into my storage. But I am done with this so far. And stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I deep clean after Christmas. I'm going to be doing a nice girly clean with me, all pink. I literally have pink cleaning stuff, so I can't wait to show you. We're going to spring clean this apartment and make here tidy and kind of redecorate as well because I've gotten a whole new vision for my living room for Christmas. No, not for Christmas, for after Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Now to get rid of this is done. I have my apartment back. It is done. We are done. We are back to normal. So dolls, they're gone. Christmas is done for the year. Well, we've still got 11 months to the next one. But in my apartment, it's clean and ready for a new year. And I love it in here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's inspired you to take yours down. For those of you who keep it till June. I'm watching, I know. And also, next video would actually be, one of the next videos I do would be like cleaning here, doing a deep clean. So if you want to see a glam girly clean with me, deep clean and declutter, let me know in the comment section because that's what I'm going to be filming next. So yeah, I love you dolls and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches. Bye dolls.